guys, what's up? It's your girl Sashie E. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to be doing an updated affordable skincare routine video, you guys. I'm going to be focusing on the nighttime routine in today's video. I did an affordable skincare video before, and I did a morning routine and nighttime skincare routine all in one, but this time I did decide to go ahead and separate it. I am super beat right now, you guys, so I'm kind of just gonna get on ready with you guys right now in this video. So I've been wearing this makeup all day, you guys. Today was church, so I've been at church since 10 a.m. It is now almost 9 p.m. so I am super duper beat. So that video did pretty well. A lot of you guys really appreciated my transparency in that video, showing my skin full of acne and pimples and everything you could imagine on my skin, and also appreciated me just sharing the things that I use in that video. I do get a lot of questions on that video to this date, but the comments are a lot. It's like 1,000 to 2,000 comments on that video, so it's a little bit hard to go through all of those comments. So I'm hoping that if you guys still have questions, you guys will just leave the comments on this current video. So my skincare routine hasn't really changed too much, which is one of the questions I get asked all the time. Am I still using the products? Yes, I'm still using the majority of the products. I did try to dabble in a few products here and there, but it didn't really work out for me, not all of them at least, and I'll share some of the ones that I tried that didn't really work for me. So yeah guys, let's jump right into it. Alright guys, so let's get into my nighttime routine. So the first thing that I like to use is my makeup remover wipes. As you guys can see, I have on makeup. I've been at church all day, you guys, since like 10 a.m. and it's now 8:58 p.m. so I am beat and I'm ready to get this makeup off. I have these makeup remover wipes. I get them at Walmart for 98 cents. In my last skincare video, a lot of you guys did suggest micellar water, which I did go ahead and purchase. As you guys can see, I use quite a bit, but I really still do prefer my makeup wipes. I really only grab this whenever I don't have this, you know, but you guys can use either or. This does work quite well. I usually just damp a paper towel and just wipe off my face, and the makeup does come off. But y'all, I just really like my makeup wipes, so that is what I use. So yeah, the choice is really up to you. So I usually take about 2 wipes and just get to wiping, you guys. I have 2. Usually like to start with my eyes and just really get all that makeup off. Eyeshadow, mascara, eyeliner, get it all off. So now that my face is makeup free, I do like to go in with a cleanser. So the cleanser of choice, which I did mention in the last video, is my CeraVe Acne Foaming Cream Cleanser. I just purchased these the other day. I bought 3 boxes, one for my mom, one's in the bathroom, and then this one's just a spare one. I will say these are a little bit hard to come by. Whenever I go to Walmart, CVS, or Target, they're oftentimes sold out. So I do usually buy these on Amazon in bulk. I usually buy like 3 or 4 at a time because they do run out quite easily. Let me just say this. So I ran out of this the other day, and I decided that I would try the CeraVe Foaming Facial Cleanser, right? So I was like, you know what? Let me just go ahead and try it. It's by the same brand, and this actually broke me out, you guys. Like, I legit had bumps all over my cheeks from this on both sides. So yeah guys, I quickly stopped using this, and then I ordered 3 of these from Amazon, and as I started using this back, my bumps went away, my skin came back to what it usually is. So yeah y'all, I stand by this. I will always stand beside this. I will always talk about this. I put my mama on this. Like, I love this stuff. And the active ingredient in this is the benzoyl peroxide, which is an acne treatment. And I've noticed that my oily skin reacts best to this active ingredient. I've tried a lot of products with salicylic acid and it doesn't really do a lot for me, but whenever I try products with benzoyl peroxide, it really gets the job done, and it really helps me to treat my acne and to keep my skin really nice and blemish free. So yeah, definitely 100% will forever recommend this product. I want to get this one out of the bathroom. So I want to show you guys the consistency of the foam cleanser. So this is the consistency. It doesn't give a lot of a lather, but it gives just enough for you to feel as though your face is clean. So when I wash my face, I do like to double cleanse. I double cleanse for 60 seconds each. Some people in my comments in the last video were saying I was washing my face too much. Y'all, that's what works for me. I'm just sharing what works for me. If you guys don't want to wash your face for 60 seconds twice, that's up to you. You can do it for 60 seconds once, but I like to double cleanse, and when I do double cleanse, I do 60 seconds each time. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna go ahead, rinse this off, do one more cleanse for 60 seconds, take a shower, and come right back to you guys so that I can finish the rest of my nighttime routine. Alright guys, so I am back fresh out of the shower, so I am about to do the remaining parts of my skincare routine. So first things first, I am going in with my Witch Hazel. I do use this as a toner. I use the Walmart brand, which is the Equate Beauty brand. So this is it right here. You guys can use a toner of choice. This is what I use. I love this stuff. It is not drying when it comes to my skin. It removes any extra makeup that may have been left behind from cleansing, and it also preps my face to kind of receive all of the moisturizing products that I am going to put on it. So this is what I like to go in with. I believe this was like $2 if I'm not mistaken. They did raise the price on this because for years it's been 98 cents, and I believe it's now $2. I've had people inbox me about what other toners they can use. You can try out the Thayer's toner or Dickinson toner. Those are very good as well, but I always go for the Equate Beauty because it's the same thing. It's just cheaper. So yeah, let's follow up with this. So I do have my cotton balls right here. I'm just gonna take one cotton ball, and I like to kind of spread my cotton ball out a little bit. And then I'm gonna get my toner, and I'm just gonna saturate the cotton ball. And then I am going to wipe my face with it. Make sure I get everything. And also bring that down to my neck area. Okay. Cotton ball is still pretty clean, so I did a great job cleansing. I'm just gonna let that dry just a little bit. Let that dry. Whew. Standing mighty fast. So yeah, I'm just gonna let that dry. And then, now that my face is dry, I do like to go in with a retinol. I love using retinols. I definitely think it's important to start using retinols, especially in your 20s. I'm just saying, if you are older than, 20s, in your 30s, 40s, definitely get on it if you haven't started using it. So this is the main retinol that I use. This is the CeraVe Resurfacing Retinol Serum. I've shown you guys this before, and I like to use this one because it evens the skin. It has ingredients that evens the skin tone. It helps to fade the appearance of post-acne marks and pores for a refined complexion. So I really believe this keeps my face nice and smooth. I've also added another retinol to the mix, but I use this one sparingly. This one is Adapalene Acne Treatment. And I use this once in a while, you guys. I only use this when I have like active breakouts that's like too much, that's when I go in with this, but it's very sparingly because my face has been doing pretty well since implementing these products in my skincare routine. So I've been using all of these products for quite some time. I only use this once in a while when my skin starts to act up. But yeah, I like to go in with the Resurfacing Retinol Serum. Right now my skin is pretty blemish free right now. I don't have too much going on, so I'm going to use this one instead of this one. Sometimes I use my jade roller with this, but your girl is tired, so not tonight. So I'm just gonna go in like a circular motion and really just work it in. And what I forgot to mention is the adapalene is more so for treating acne currently, and then this Resurfacing Retinol Serum is kind of like post-acne care. So once your blemishes are gone and you have like dark marks and things like that remaining, that's when the Resurfacing Serum is handy. So that's why I use them the way that I do. And then, you know, you can't forget the neck. So go on down to the neck. Make sure you get your neck as well. So I do like to use an eye cream, and someone from my last video actually recommended that I go in with this eye cream. This is the CeraVe Eye Repair Cream. And let me just say, I know I mentioned CeraVe a lot, and someone or quite a few people in my last video was like, hey, you're sponsored by CeraVe. Honey, I wish. I actually reached out to them and they were like, we're not looking for any collabs at this time. So everything that I buy is with my own money. This is just what have worked for me, and I'm gonna continue to use them because they work exceptionally well. So yeah, I'm just gonna go in with their eye cream. This is their eye repair cream, and I'm just gonna put that underneath my eyes. And just work this in. So I really like using the eye cream, you guys, because it really helps with the puffiness that I sometimes get underneath my eyes. I do have very big, beautiful eyes, so sometimes underneath gets quite puffy. So I like to use my eye cream to just keep the puffiness down, and it actually works quite well. And then I like to go on my eyelids too. And then the last thing that I like to go in with is a moisturizer. So I do like the CeraVe facial moisturizing lotion. This is their ultra lightweight formula. It's oil free, and this is for the PM use. Let me show you guys up close. But I also like this moisturizer that was sent to me from Il Makiage Skin, and this is their Power Cream Recharge Anti-Aging Ultra Peptide Moisturizer. It has cyclic acid, hyaluronic acid, purple tea, and it is fragrance free, so it's good for sensitive skin. So if you're looking for like that glass skin, you know, sometimes people do their skincare and their face just looks glassy and just, oh, just so cute. It just looks like Korean skin almost. If you want that effect, this is a good product for you. But if you want like a moisturized, oil-free type look, then this is the moisturizer for you. So tonight, I feel like using the Il Makiage Skin moisturizer. This one's new. I didn't mention this in my last tutorial, and I'm just gonna show you guys this one because you guys already saw me using this one in the last tutorial. So I'm just gonna apply this all over my skin. It's pretty thick as well, and a little bit goes a long way, and I'm just gonna work it in. I'm gonna work it in. And then, you know, we cannot forget our necks. So I'm just gonna put that all over my neck. Skin is glowing, you guys. And last but not least, you guys, we're gonna go in with a lippy. So in the last video, I mentioned that I use petroleum jelly on my lips, and y'all were like, girl, you need to get something else. So I'll be using the Il Makiage Power Lip on my lips today. So this has like shea butter, I believe avocado butter, a lot of natural oils, and a lot of natural ingredients for the skin. So this is what I'm gonna be using on my lips. Let me show you guys kind of how it looks. Hope you guys can see it. I use it quite a bit, and it does come with a little applicator here, and it smells amazing as well. So I'm just gonna take a little bit, just add that right to my lips. I like to add a lot. I do like to add a lot. It smells so good, y'all. It smells like lip gloss. Y'all remember back in the day, the lip gloss we used to get that would have us like lips just looking super greasy? It smells like that. Yeah. And there we go, you guys. Alright guys, so I am back, and I just wanted to show you guys the final results of my skin. So I really hope that you guys liked this updated affordable skincare nighttime routine. I really hope you guys liked it. You guys loved the first one, so I'm hoping you guys like this one as well. If you guys have any questions about my skin, about the products that I use in today's video, please be sure to leave those down below in the comment section. Everybody knows that I'm pretty good at responding to you guys, so just leave the comments down there and I will be sure to get back to you. Also, please thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it. Also, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell. I do upload multiple times per week, so definitely turn on that bell so you do not miss an upload from me, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.